How to latch hook. I bought a latch hook project from Joann's. First, take your latch hook and then put string underneath it. Once you've done that, put the hook through the hole of the project. Pull it, and now take the string, wrap it around, and then pull it. It should make a nice, neat loop as shown. Let's try that another time. Take your string, put it underneath the hook, put your hook through the hole. Now take your string and wrap it around, pull it, and there you go. There's your nice loop. Now this time, it shows that even if you put it through the wrong hole, you can still take the hook out and do it again. So put it through, take the string around, and then wrap it around, pull it, and there's a nice loop. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped. If it helped, please like it below. Also, feel free to leave comments below.